Hey bike culture enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of scooters, and what better way to do it than with Honda's latest marvel, the 2025 Honda PCX 160. Designed for urban explorers and daily commuters, this scooter promises a perfect blend of style, efficiency, and practicality. So, let's see what makes it stand out. The Honda PCX 160 is packed with features that make it a go-to choice for scooter lovers. First up, it's powered by a 157cc liquid-cooled four-stroke engine, now with Honda's ESP Plus technology for improved efficiency and performance. It also boasts Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, a feature rarely seen in scooters in this segment, giving you better grip and stability on slippery roads. And, if you love tech, you'll appreciate the all-LED lighting, a new full digital instrument cluster, and a smart key system for keyless start and seat access. When it comes to performance, the PCX 160 shines. The engine delivers a smooth 15.8 horsepower and 14.7 Nm of torque, perfect for zipping through city streets or cruising at highway speeds. The CVT transmission ensures effortless acceleration, and Honda has improved the suspension setup, offering a smoother ride even on uneven terrain. And let's not forget the braking system. Front disc brakes with ABS as standard ensure a safe and controlled stop every time. Now let's talk about design. The 2025 PCX 160 gets a futuristic yet elegant aesthetic. The redesigned body features sharp lines and a more aerodynamic profile, making it not just stylish but also practical. The wide seat and floorboard provide excellent comfort, while the underseat storage offers a generous 30 liters of space. Enough for your daily essentials or a full-faced helmet. Honda also added a USB-C port in the glove box, making it easy to charge your devices on the go. What sets the PCX apart is its focus on combining premium features with everyday practicality. The HSTC, smart key system, and large storage capacity make it stand out in the crowded scooter market. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, this scooter has your back. So, what do you think about the 2025 Honda PCX 160? Is it the ultimate urban companion you've been looking for? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more in-depth reviews and all things two wheels. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring.